You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, this condition, inflammation of the cartilage. If you want to learn more confusing medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. An inflammation on the sternum, the breastbone. Costochondritis. That's the British English pronunciation. Yes, CH is pronounced like a K because it's from Greek. Costochondritis. Now the Americans will pronounce the last T with a flap T. That sounds like a D, as in costochondritis, but similar pronunciation. How to pronounce English pronunciation? Costochondritis. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.